This is a 2019 Ford F-150 XL. It's a two-door standard cab, long bed. It's got a 5.0 liter V8 with the 10-speed auto. I will have screenshots of the factory window sticker in the photo section. So if you want to scroll through some of the photos, periodically you'll see little screenshots of that. So you can see exactly what options this has on it. It's got some good tires on it. It's your XL. Got your black mirrors. Black cloth seats. Black vinyl floors. It's got the chrome bumpers, backup camera. Got your factory tow package. It has the plastic drop-in BEDLINER bed liner. This is a remote keyless entry. See the backup camera there. Got your AM and FM radio. Climate control system. There's a 12-volt port and a line in here. Got your cruise control. 11,000 miles. Automatic headlights. It's got the power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Got a bunch of storage here in the door. Behind this seat, you have a little bit of storage, but there's your jack as well as a fire extinguisher. And then there is your remote keyless entry.